Wow, hey, it's exciting for another beautiful morning out here. I'm coming back to you. This is Lily. Another gorgeous day. Oh, I just can't express to our beautiful women out there to come out and enjoy this beautiful just moment in the morning. Get out early, take a walk, and just feel how beautiful it is to be free, to do whatever you need to do. And right now, I'm just feeling so free that I have this overwhelming feeling of sharing it with you. So, as a woman, I'd like to come to you and say, you are amazing, you are beautiful, you are strong, you're dedicated and committed to bringing up a beautiful family. And I just want to say the woman is always there, especially in times of need, in times when things are not just, going well. A woman is the strongest one who stands up and say, hey, this is how it's done. So again, I just come out to you and praise you and just say thank you for being a wonderful woman. Thank you for your love. Thank you for all your amazing words of encouragement to your children and to your husband and to your partners. Thank you that you are a beautiful sister, you're a beautiful mother, an auntie, and a grandmother. And again, I want to just share with you how wonderful it is that you are taking the reins, especially in times of ups and downs, happy times, good times, but you're always there, and you are the most supporting, strongest person there is. And I'm so thankful to share that with you right now. I'm so amazed at how easy it is just to share myself as being a woman and what I've had to go through as well. So right now, whatever your husband or your partner or your children's faults or anything like that gets in the way, or sometimes it takes you down, but I know you'll come back up strong again, as a woman does. So again, I just want to share how beautiful it is to being a woman of God and enjoying and sharing this precious time, and not sharing other people's words but sharing my own words with you and saying I praise you and I thank you for being a wonderful, loving woman. Cheers and have a great day today. Enjoy it, because I am.